Good morning, travel fam. We started our day at Toronto Pearson International Airport Terminal 3. We're heading to New York City today on Delta Connection Flight 5183, operated by Endeavour Air. If you're aviation geek, you know Endeavour's CRJ-900 have had a high-profile year, including that intense landing incident right here in Toronto back in February. Because of that, I'm paying extra attention to our stabilized approach today. Pearson's T3 is actually pretty quiet this early, so I had time to grab a quick Timmy's before heading to Gate A6. Our bird today is a 17-year-old Bombardier CRJ-900LR. Don't let the age fool you. This is a true workhorse of the regional industry, having just completed a multi-leg rotation through Detroit and Syracuse yesterday. The CRJ-900 is often called a puddle jumper, but it's actually a high-performance jet capable of a cruise speed of 528 miles per hour. Stepping on board, the first thing you'll notice is the 2-2 seating configuration, which is the gold standard for regional travel because it means no middle seats for anyone. Delta has been rolling out refreshed interiors for their regional fleet through 2025. You'll see updated seat coverings that mirror the mainline fleet's look and feel. We have 12 seats in first class with a generous 37-inch pitch, and 20 seats in Delta Comfort Plus offering 34 inches of legroom. Comfort Plus also gives you dedicated overhead bin space, which is critical because these CRJ bins are notoriously tiny. Since we're in the air for just over an hour, it's a short-haul service. Expect the classic Delta Biscoff cookies or chips along with coffee and tea. We touched down at LaGuardia ahead of schedule. Arrival at Terminal C is a treat now. This terminal was recently celebrated as a masterpiece of airport design after the renovation. Overall, despite the regional industry's recent struggles with maintenance and reliability, this specific flight was a 10 out of 10 experience. Just make sure you join SkyMiles before you board so you can skip the Wi-Fi fee.